Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the sample paper of Computer Science Python. So let us start. I'll be discussing each and every question. First of all, let us quickly read the instructions. This is the sample paper as per the latest pattern, latest changes done by CBSE. And it is my humble advice to all the students of 12th that do read the instructions carefully before you start solving your paper. It is very compulsory to read instructions thoroughly so that no confusion arises later on. This question paper contains two parts, A and B, right? And both the parts are compulsory. A part and B part will have choices. Part A have two sections. Part A is divided into two sections. Section 1 in which you will be having short questions, right? And section 2 in which you will be having case studies question. You will be having case study questions, right? And inside the case study question, there will be 5 subparts. You have to attempt 4 subparts. And in the short questions, in section 1, there will be 21 short questions. You have to attempt any 15, right? Then part B is the descriptive paper. It has 3 sections: question of 2 marks, question of 3 marks, and question of 5 marks, right? Accordingly, internal choice has been given to you people. Am I clear with the instructions, all of you? And I hope everybody of you is having paper in front of you. I hope each and every child has downloaded the paper from CBSE site. All right. Let us start. Beta, these are MCQ type questions, or you can say one-word questions. So you have to give short answers over here and keep one notebook in front of you. As I'll be discussing the questions, I want you people to keep one notebook in front of you. Select the most appropriate option out of the options given for each question. Find the invalid identifier from the following. We are to find out the invalid identifier from the following, right? Keeping in mind the rules of identifier, let us start. My name, it is appropriate. True, beta, true is a keyword, right? It is a Boolean variable. It is a keyword, so it can't be used as identifier. Second name, identifier name cannot start with the number, so this is also invalid. So we have my underscore name. So here are two options which are invalid, B and C, right? Then moving over to the next question, given the list, beta, list is given to you, right? Write the output of print L2:5. Let us solve this question here practically. Beta, list is given to you. And list is 1, 3, 6, 82, 5, 7, 11, 92. Clear? Now, let us give the index to this. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Right? This is the indexing. Am I clear up till here? Students, be fast in giving the response to me. Am I clear up till here, all of you? All right. So what option we have been given? He says what elements will be printed if we are giving print L2:5. Beta, lower limit is included, but upper limit is not included. So as per the given question, from L2:5, we'll be having elements 6, 82, 5. This will be the range. Upper limit 5 is not included. So this will be our range as per the given condition. So this is our answer. Am I clear to all? Let us proceed to the next question. What is the full form of CSV, comma separated values? CSV stands for comma separated value. Identify the valid arithmetic operator in Python from the following. From the given operators, you are to find out the valid arithmetic operator. Question mark is not a valid arithmetic operator. This is relational operator. Double star, this stands for power symbol. Right? This is the power symbol. So double star is the most appropriate arithmetic operator. And beta and is a logical operator. So this is also not a valid arithmetic operator. So our correct option is C part. Moving over to the fifth question. Suppose a tuple T is declared as T equal to 10, 12, 43 and 39. Which of the following is incorrect? Right? We have been given a tuple over here. T equal to round bracket 10, 12, 43, 39. Right? So this is the tuple given to us, and from the given options, we have to find out the incorrect one. Print T of 1. The first value of tuple T2 equal to minus 29. T2 equal to minus 29. This is an incorrect statement because tuple is an immutable data type. Tuple is an immutable data type. So B part is the incorrect one. Max value you can print, length of tuple you can find. Write a statement in Python to declare a dictionary whose keys are 1, 2, 3 and values are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You are to create a dictionary, but in this question, student's name of dictionary is not given. So let us assign one name from our own side. I am giving the name week because there are days of week, equal to keys are 1, 2, 3. Keys are 1, 2, 3, right? And values are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 1 colon Monday, comma 2 colon Tuesday, and 3 colon Wednesday. This is our dictionary. Numbers are keys 1, 2, 3, and our string are values Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. These are our values. 12th class, am I thoroughly clear up till here? All right. Let's proceed to the next question. A tuple is declared as 25698. What will be the value of sum of tuple? Beta, a tuple is declared as 25698. What will be the value of sum function if we find the sum of tuple values? It will be adding up all the values like 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 8, 30. So the result is 30. Now, name the inbuilt function or method that is used to return an absolute value of a number. We are to find out, we are to name a mathematical function which provides the absolute value of a number. So our mathematical function which provides the absolute value is ABS. ABS function. Beta, it is compulsory to put these bracket because it is a function, right? Next, name the protocol that is used to send emails. You have typed an email, your email has to go to the receiver computer, receiver server, right? So the protocol that carries the email from the client computer to the server computer is SMTP. The protocol is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol that carries your email from sender to receiver. Okay. Now, coming to the next question. Read the statement carefully along with me. Your friend Ranjana complains that somebody has created a fake profile on Facebook and defaming her character with abusive comments and pictures. Identify the type of cybercrime for these situations. Beta, in 11th class, we discussed cyber ethics. There you have studied this concept that when such crime occurs using internet and computer as the medium that defames, harass or spoil somebody's image online, that is called cyberbullying or cyber stalking. So you can write either of the two terms, either cyberbullying, either cyber stalking. Clear? In SQL, name the clause that is used to display the tuples in ascending order of an attribute. You are to name a clause, a command in SQL that is used to display a column, a tuple in ascending order. Right? So that clause is order by. Beta, order by command in SQL is used to sort the data either in ascending order, either in descending order. By default, ordering is ascending, but if you want to have descending order, you need to write a keyword that is called DESC. Right? Default ordering is ascending. If you want to sort in descending order, you have to provide a keyword that is DESC. I give one example over here. Select star from EMP, order by e-salary DESC, semicolon. So as an example in this statement, we are displaying the records of employee table in descending order of salary. The employee having the highest salary will be displayed first, and the employee having the least amount of salary will be displayed at the last. Am I clear to all the students up till now? We have discussed 11 questions. Am I thoroughly clear to each and every child sitting in the class? All right. Let us move further. 12th question. In SQL, what is the use of is null operator? Is null. Beta, null means legal empty value. Null signifies the legal empty value. So when we are putting a constraint is null after any column, we are checking whether the value in the column can be null or cannot be null. Whether column contains null value or not, right? Whether column contains null value or not. This is the role of is null operator. It is checking that whether your column has null value or it does not contain a null value. Am I clear? Manav, Kriti, Navneet, Kshitij, all four of you, am I clear? All right, let us proceed further. Write any one aggregate function used in SQL. Beta, there are so many aggregate functions. Average, sum, max, min, count, right? So the examiner is asking you only one, so you can write any one among the following. Am I clear? Now, coming to the 14th question, which of the following is a DDL command? Beta, DDL command means data definition language. These commands are the commands that deals with the structure, the physical structure of the table. DDL commands are the commands that works with respect to physical structure of the table. So from these commands, let us find out the command which is working for physical structure of the table. Select. Beta, select is used to display the records. Alter. Alter is used to make changes in the table. Whether you want to add a new column or whether you want to modify an existing column. Insert. Insert is used to add a new record in the table. Update. Update again is used to update the records. So A part, C part and D part, they are in connection with the rows. Only B option is the option that works in connection with the table. So our correct answer is alter. Am I clear to all? Now, moving to the 15th question. Name the transmission media best suitable for connecting to hilly areas. Name the transmission media best suitable for connecting to hilly areas. Beta, I told you, in the hilly region, radio wave proves to be the best media. Right? Wireless media will be the best media in the hilly areas. And why we prefer the radio wave? Because radio wave signals are omnidirectional. They can travel in all the directions. So radio wave proves to be the best option over here. Right? Identify the valid declaration of L. Beta, this is the declaration given to you. From the given options, you are to identify the best option which suits the command. Is it a dictionary? Is it a string? Is it a tuple? Or is it a list? It is a list. because the elements are arranged in square brackets separated by comma. List is a sequence of values enclosed in square bracket separated by comma. No doubt, dictionary is also sequence of values, but in dictionary we have key value pairs and enclosed in curly bracket. String is collection of characters, either in single, either in double quotes. Tuple is a sequence of elements, but tuple elements are enclosed within round brackets. So the best option here will be list. Now, moving to this string based question, if the following code is executed, what will be the output of the following command? Let us solve this question practically. We have been given a string. The string is computer science with Python, right? So giving the indexing over here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then science. For science, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Right? Let us start again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is W, 16 is I, 17 is T, 18 is H, 19 is P, 20 is Y, 21 T, 22 H, 23 O, 24 N. Let me clearly represent this. So that it becomes easy for you people to identify. All right. Now we have been given the statement that we are to find the characters which are covered in this range from 3 to 10. 10 is the upper limit is not included. 10 is the upper limit and upper limit is not included, right? So here 3 to 9. So from 3 to 9 we have PUTERSC. This is going to be our string PUTERSC. This is the resulting string. Am I clear? As per the given condition, starting from 3, moving till 9, because upper limit is not included. So we have 3, 4 up till 9. And in that range, starting is PUTERSC. I is at 10 position, but 10 is not included. So PUTERSC. Then next question, in SQL, write the query to display the list of tables stored in the database. You are to write a query, a command by which you can display the list of tables which are stored in your database. So the command to display the tables, that is show tables. By this command, we can display the list of tables which are stored in our current database. Clear? Then next question, write the expanded form of Wi-Fi. Beta, Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. Now 20th question, which of the following type of table constraints will prevent the entry of duplicate rows? Which of the following types of table constraints will prevent the entry of duplicate rows? Unique, distinct, primary key, null. Beta, primary key. Primary key is a key that uniquely identify the rows. It does not allow any duplicate value in two rows, right? So the most appropriate answer here is primary key, as primary key avoids or prevents the occurrence of duplicate values. Moreover, primary key does not allow null value to enter. You cannot enter a null value in the primary key constraint. Beta, unique key also prevents the entry of duplicate rows. The working of unique key is also same as primary key, but in unique key you can enter null value. It may happen you may repeat the null value. In two rows, you can repeat the null value for the column. So unique key doesn't work appropriate over here. So primary key is the most appropriate option. Next short question and the last short question, rearrange the following terms in increasing order of data transfer rates. You have been given with the units. You are to arrange these units in the increasing order of their data transfer speed. So starting with the first we are going to have BPS, bits per second, kilobytes per second, megabytes per second, then gigabytes per second, followed by terabytes per second. Right? This is going to be our range from smallest to the largest. Byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Clear? All the 21 short questions are clear? As per the CBSE pattern, from these 21 questions, you are to attempt 15. But make sure class, when you are attempting any 15, write the correct number of the question. Suppose you are not attempting 18th question, after 17th question, you are attempting 19th question. You will write answer 19. Don't write answer 18. Whichever question you are attempting, you are to write that very correct number only. Be careful with these minor instructions. Let us proceed to section 2 of part A. This is the case study question. This is the case study question. Let us first study the case which has been given to us. A departmental store, my store, is considering to maintain their inventory using SQL to store the data. As a database administrator, Abhay has decided that name of database is my store, name of table store, the attributes of store are, beta attribute means the columns, the fields, item number numeric, This is the field name and this is the data type. Item name, character of size 20, S code, numeric, quantity, numeric. Clear? Let us see the table. This is the table which has been given to us. Now let us start the questions of the case study. Case study 1. A part. Identify the attribute best suitable to be declared as primary key. Beta, primary key we know is a key that uniquely identify each row. Now from the given table, let us see the columns which are giving the unique value. Item number 205326149. All items are different. Item name, sharpener classic, ball pen 0.25, gel, jet pen premium, jet pen classic, eraser small, eraser big, ball pen 0.5. Beta, item name can also be a primary key, but suppose I am adding new rows. It may happen I may repeat the item name, right? S code 23, 22 is again repeated, 22 again repeated, right? Quantity can be same, but in the given table it is not same, it is different, but in the further entries quantity may get same, right? Two items may have the same quantity, but the code is different. So item number is the most appropriate primary key, right? You can say item number, item name and quantity are candidate keys. From candidate keys, we are to select one appropriate primary key. So the most appropriate option is item number. What is the degree and the cardinality of table store? Beta, degree refers to number of columns. Degree refers to number of columns in the table. As per the given table, the number of columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. So degree is 4. Now what is cardinality? Beta, cardinality means the number of tuples, the number of records, the number of rows. So according to the given table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So my cardinality is 7. Right? Now insert the following data into attributes item name, item number, item name and S code respectively in the given table store. Beta, now see here. We have been given 4 columns. But according to the given question, the examiner is asking you to enter value in 3 fields. Item number, item name and S code. He has not given you any value for quantity. So what will be our command? When we are to enter the value in the selected fields, insert into store, write the field name after this in which you want to enter the value. S code. Values 2010, notebook and 25. When you are to enter the value in only selected fields, then write the name of the fields after the table name in insert command, right? whenever you want to insert the fields, selected fields, always write the name of the fields after the table name in the insert command, then values keywords, and insert or write the appropriate values. And as per the given question in the sample paper, we have been given with the values item number, item name, and S code. Am I clear, bete? All of you, raise your thumb. Students, raise your thumb. All right. Now, let us proceed to the D part of this question. Abhay want to remove the table store from the database my store. Which command will he use? Beta, delete command, A option. Delete command is used to remove the rows. Drop table command will delete the table. Drop database will delete the database. Delete store from employee is the inappropriate command, because you cannot delete the table with the help of delete command. So our correct and the best option is B part, drop table. Drop table and table name. Drop table and table name. This is our best and suitable option over here. Am I clear? Now, let us proceed to the E part of this. Now, Abhay wants to display the structure of the table. That is the name of attributes and respective data types. Beta, when in MySQL, you want to display the structure of the table, the physical structure of the table, which comprises of the data types, which comprise of the field name, our appropriate command in that case, 12th class, is DESC table name. Beta, DESC stands for describe. Describe means you display the physical structure of the table, the field name, and the data type of field. Am I clear, 12th class? With this, I drop my lecture here. I'll be continuing with you tomorrow with the same sample paper, beta. Thank you for attending the class.